Hi guys, you are watching Go IT Center, and this video is going to be very important because in this video we are going to install latest Windows 11.25 H2 biggest Microsoft update. So first of all, in order to install the latest Windows 11.25 H2, you have to go onto the Microsoft website. Then you have to go onto the Microsoft website. Then you have to type Windows 11 download. Once you have Windows 11 download, then you have to click onto the Windows 11 download 11 option. Then you have to scroll down it. Then you have to select the ISO. Once you select the ISO, then confirm it. Then it will ask about your language. So let me go on to the Windows 10 machine. You have to type run as administrator, and then you have to type so once you type this, you can see that your system language is English United States. So you have to download English United States. You have to select English United States language. So let's close it, then come on to this machine. Then you have to select English United States, then confirm. Then you have to simply download it, and it will be download instantly. So I have already downloaded the ISO in order to save the time. Let me show you. So let's go onto the Windows 10 machine, and if you go onto the downloads, so you will see we have already ISO. So once you have the ISO, then you have to copy this ISO, and you have to go onto the C drive. You have to create a folder. Then you have to paste here. Once you paste here, it will take around 5 to 10 seconds, not more than 10. Once it is pasted, then we will extract all these files from the ISO. So let him complete. So once it is copied, then we have to extract here. So it will extract within 5 to 10 seconds. So I'm going to stop this video, otherwise video will get longer. Once it is done, I will back. So it is almost done, and you can see that. So once it is done, close it. Then you have to open so you can see that installation has been started. So let's click on that. Not right now, just hit next. Wait for a second. So it will take around 2 to 3 minutes, not more than that. So I'm going to stop this video. Once we have the second screen, we will continue. It's almost done. So it's checking the PC. So it's checking the PC. It will take around 2 to 3 minutes, not more than that. So I'm going to stop this video. Once we have the second page, I will resume this video. So now you have to accept the license. Accept. So we are going to keep files and settings and apps as it is, and you will get all these apps and folders as it is after upgrading Windows 11. Next. So it is making the things ready to install, so it will take around a few minutes. So I'm going to stop this video. So now we have to click onto the install, and installation will start instantly. So let's install. So you can see that installation has been started, and it would take around 45 minutes to 1 hour. So I'm going to stop this video. Once it is done, I will be back. So Windows 11 has been installed successfully. You can see that all the data, all the apps are as it is, and we have successfully installed Windows 11, latest Windows 11 25H2. So I hope you like this video. Kindly hit the bell icon, forward to your family and friend, and subscribe as much as possible. So thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.